This isn't a startup. It's just one guy, one laptop, building after work. And somehow, people started using it. Let me show you how it happened. Hi, I'm Masood. Until a few months ago, this didn't exist. Just an idea in my head. No team, no investors, no office. Just me, trying to solve a problem that kept annoying me. Every time I wanted to merge a PDF, compress a file, or convert a document, I'd end up on another website. Upload, wait, upgrade to Pro, try another website, same thing. After a while, I stopped asking which website is better. I started asking, why don't I just build one? Now, here's the part people don't usually see. I wasn't sitting at home coding all day. I had a full-time job. So this became my routine. Finish work, drive home, eat something, open the laptop, repeat every single day. The funny thing is, I never planned to build a business. I just wanted one tool that worked the way I wanted. No unnecessary limits, no confusing interface. Just upload, convert, download. That's it. Then something happened. One morning, I opened the dashboard. Someone had used it. Not my friend, not my family, a complete stranger. That's a strange feeling because at that moment, it stopped being my little project. It became something people actually found useful. Building this taught me something. Most people think you need an incredible idea. I don't think that's true anymore. I think you just need to solve one annoying problem, then solve the next one, then the next. That's exactly what I'm still doing. This channel is changing. Instead of just talking about AI, I want to show you what I'm actually building with it. The features, the bugs, the wins, the failures, everything. If you've ever wanted to build something of your own, maybe you see that you don't need a huge team. Sometimes, one laptop, one idea, and a little consistency are enough to get started. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.